What's up, amazing people? Welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Tronwy and I'm back with yet another great video. In today's vlog we have a new guest and I'm so humbled to have you in my channel, and he will introduce himself and he will tell us what he does. So
Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Nijo and I'm the face behind Classy Shoes Lifestyle. You can check it out on IG as Classy Shoes Lifestyles. I sell sneakers, guys, the whole Nairobi at a cheaper price.
So guys, and you have an offer, is it free delivery?
Yeah, I deliver for free the whole Nairobi. So
Yeah.
just holla, guys.
So if you're within Nairobi and you need sneakers, so guys, the reason why he's here, I want to do some curls on his hair. So I've never tried this, but this is my first time, but I'm sure this will work out well. So cross your fingers guys, and let's get to this video.